AI taking over our jobs as software engineers are partially a myth. Why? Let me tell you. What you see right now is basically a very small piece of code, right? A HTML file that says hello world and welcome to my AWS journey, whatever it is. Okay. This particular uh, site is hosted here. Okay. Hello world and welcome to my AWS journey. So, what will happen like if we are at all afraid about the AI scenario? AI can do what? AI can give us a piece of code at this point of time, okay? And what we can do, we can simply go ahead and replace the code. Do not worry, I have taken this code from AI only, okay? And if I look into the code, yeah, this is the file. But this is our local file, right? This is our home address and the index HTML file is shown. A stylish page is given. This much AI can do efficiently. This can give you a clean code to develop something like this, right? From a very basic thing. But where our website is hosted, even if I refresh, nothing changes, right? Why? Because my changes are not deployed. Here comes the trick where AI is still lagging behind. And if you are a dedicated software engineer, this is your upper hand. Do not just learn coding, learn end-to-end deployment. So, what AI at this point of time cannot efficiently do is to deploy your code. Let's say I am deploying my code into a AWS environment. This is where my index.html lies. So what I can do, I can simply go ahead and let me show this to you side by side that how exactly the workflow happens. Okay. So here is my code pushing and here I will pass on my let's say let me see where is my GitHub. Give me 1 second. Okay. So you can see that I have given three breakdowns, okay? So I have made some changes into my code. What I will do, I will simply add my changes first. Changes added. Let's see, yes, index.html got changed. Then I'll simply push my code. See, now you keep your eyes over here, right? In this particular scenario. Changes reverted was the first like last commit 8 minutes before, and this was even if I do a refresh, this is my current scenario, right? The moment I push my code, see what will happen. See over here, codes are being changed, done, commit is done. Now look into this particular space. Another event will trigger itself where the deployment will start. See, changes to HTML, my latest commit. It is being deployed right now. Where? To the S3 bucket in AWS. Okay, let it get commit. It will turn green when it's complete. You can see changes are committed. Now, if I go into my live server that is hosted in AWS and if I do a refresh, see my modern website is up and running. Okay, so this is the power of learning end-to-end scenarios. AI will not take your job if you start taking your job seriously. Understood? So learn AI, definitely leverage the benefits of AI, but do not let it get over your head. Okay, thank you.